Hello, friends. How are you? Thank you for coming to this evening's Sunday pajama reading. I hope you wore your cozy pajamas today. I brought two books with me. I Am Enough by Byers, and I also brought Too Many Toys by David Shannon. So we're going to start by reading I Am Enough. I love the illustrations by Katura Bobo in I Am Enough. So let's get started with reading it. Like the sun. Like the sun, I'm here to shine. Like the voice, I'm here to sing. Like the bird, I'm here to fly and soar high over everything. Like the trees, I'm here to grow. Like time, I'm here to be and be everything I can. Like the champ, I'm here to fight. Like the heart, I'm here to love. Like a ladder, here to climb, and like the air, to rise above. Like the wind, I'm here to push. Like a rope, I'm here to pull. Like the rain, I'm here to pour and drip and fall until I'm full. Like the moon, I'm here to dream. Like the student, here to learn. Like the water, here to swell. Like the fire, here to burn. Like the winner, I'm here to win, and if I don't, get up again. I know that I may sometimes cry, but even then, I'm here to try. I'm not meant to be like you. You're not meant to be like me. Sometimes we will get along, and sometimes we will disagree. I know that we don't look the same. Our skin, our eyes, our hair, our frame. But that does not dictate our worth. We both have places here on earth. And in the end, we are right here to live a life of love, not fear. To help each other when it's tough, to say together, I am enough. Oh, that was a good message. I am enough. Always remember, you are enough. Good book, wasn't it? Now we can read Too Many Toys. And Too Many Toys is a really interesting book, and it can get pretty loud because it's a little fussing here. He doesn't want to give up his toys. Too Many Toys by David Shannon. Let's see what Too Many Toys is all about. So make sure your listening ears are on. Spencer had too many toys. They covered the floor of his bedroom and piled up in his closet. They were stashed under his bed, spilled down the stairs and into the living room. He had big toys in the backyard and little toys in the bathtub. Sometimes Spencer played with nice, quiet wooden pull toys. Other times he played with noisy, crazy electronic toys. He had puzzles, board games, and talking books that filled his mind, and loud, jumpy, frenzied video games that fried it. Spencer liked to make his toys into a parade that stretched from one corner of the house to the other and back again. There was an entire zoo of stuffed animals and a gigantic army of little action figures. He had a fleet of planes, trains, and toy boats and a convoy of miniature trucks and cars. He also had lots and lots of musical instruments, art supplies, and alien spaceman weapons. Everyone gave toys to Spencer. Of course, his mom and dad did, but so did Grandma Bobo and Poppy and Granddaddy and Auntie Mim and Uncle Fred and Cousin Drew. They gave him toys for every holiday, even the 4th of July and his birthday. He also got toys from all his friends on his birthday and on their birthday too when we went to their parties. He got toys at the drive-thru with his kid burger, and at school for having lots of peace person points, and at the dentist and doctor when he didn't squirm. Wow. That's a lot of toys. They were becoming a household hazard. Have you ever stepped on a Lego piece in your bare feet or a jack? Well, it really hurts, especially if you weigh as much as Spencer's dad. You can also trip on things like railroad tracks and race cars if you're carrying a load of laundry. One day, Spencer's mom had it up to here with all the toys. "Spencer!" she yelled on her way upstairs. "You have too many toys." "That's impossible," thought Spencer. Then she said, "We're going to get rid of some of them." "That's a catastrophe." "Pick out which toys you don't want," she ordered, "and put them in this box." "But I love them all." "All right," his mother said, "I'll help you." She picked up an alien space ninja. "How about this one? You haven't played with this in years." "But I was just about to." "Spencer," his mother said, "it doesn't have a head." "I'm making him a new one," Spencer replied. "Fine," said Spencer's mother, "but this can definitely go." She put down the alien and picked up a filthy one-eared bunny. "Not Mr. Fluffers. Mom, how could you?" "This one then," she said. "That's Mr. Fluffer's best friend." "This one?" "Mother, have you forgotten? Grandma Bobo gave me that on my 4th birthday, and I'll never be 4 again. Ever." "Oh, please, Spencer," said his mom, rolling her eyes. "Don't be so dramatic." "Okay," she said, "you can keep that one, but I'm giving away this pig and the Johnny Choo Choo." "Tell you what," countered Spencer, "I'll let you have the pig, but I get Johnny Choo Choo." "What, are you, a lawyer now?" asked Spencer's mother. "You can keep Johnny Choo Choo, but the cow goes in the box too. Deal?" "How about 2 Get Your Goomies instead," said Spencer, "and I'll throw in a little peeper of your choice." "How about all of them go in the box or you don't watch TV for a week?" Spencer decided it was in his best interest to agree. "Deal." "Finally, some toys in the box," sighed Spencer's mom. "I had no idea this would be so much work." She plopped down on the floor next to an egg-shaped pirate that bellowed, "Arr, avis, ye scurvy dog, avis, arr, scurvy dog, dervy dog, dervy dog." "Here's another one you can do without," she said. "No problem," said Spencer. His mom nearly fell over. "What? You're going to give it up just like that?" "Sure," Spencer replied. That's. So Spencer and his mom went through every toy box and looked in every closet and under every bed until they had haggled and wrestled and argued over every toy in the entire house. Finally, they were finished, and his mom had a cup of hot tea and a short rest. Then she went upstairs to begin loading the toys into the car. But instead of a nice, neat box of toys all ready to go, she saw a big, messy pile of toys all over the floor. "Spencer!" she screamed. "What have you done? We had a deal." "You were right, Mom," Spencer called from his bedroom. "I do have too many toys, but we can't give away this box. It's the best toy ever." Oh my goodness, he made a rocket ship out of the box. How creative. The end. What an interesting book. And if you have time, if you want to buy this book and you want to make a rocket ship or make something creative out of a box, you should. That is a good project. Thank you for joining me. We read Too Many Toys today, and I Am Enough. Now I'm going to snuggle up and get a nice rest so I can be ready for circle time tomorrow. I will see you then.